I just bought a new Honda, and I had the Honda for like 3 weeks. And I flew off to Greensboro, North Carolina, then to Sarasota, Florida, then back to Atlanta. And guess what I didn't have when I got back to my car? Key fob. It disappeared somewhere on that trip. Did I have key replacement? No, I didn't. $55 in Uber to back to my house to get the other key fob. $55 back to the airport to get my car to the Honda store, where I paid a mere $371 for a new key fob. I get key replacement, meaning I understand it and I see value in it. What do most people do when they lose a key fob?
Use the second.
Use the other one, and they take better care of the second one. A very small percentage of the population understands that they still can't go to Home Depot and get a key cut. Very few people understand that that key fob is a mini computer. How many buttons you got on yours there? Same amount I've got on mine, a bunch. Okay, is there a chip in there? Does it require programming? You know, this is the first time I've ever done this, when I got the key replaced, it was at my brother's store, so I went back and hung out with the technician. It took him 40 minutes to program that son of a bitch. That's what's he, $120 an hour, at least? People don't know it. So when you tell them you're going to give them key replacement, if they've never paid to have a key replaced, what sort of value are they going to see? The answer is nothing.